Hey guys, Jared the therapist and Aiden here today, and we got this product here to review, but I've actually used this brand before for my line of work as an occupational therapist. This putty is really versatile. You can use this not just for children, but you can also use it for older adults or adults in general too, or really anyone that's trying to improve their hand strength and dexterity or their fine motor skills. So each one of these comes in a different strength. Each color is a different strength level. So yellow is the easiest, with blue being the most challenging or the one that has the most resistance. With this here, you go ahead and pop open the top of the container. And then you'll find the putty right here. This one is the extra soft here. So when you go and open it, you can see that it moves just like putty. But this one is very soft because it is the extra soft variety. It's vibrant, has a bright color, and you can go ahead and do a whole bunch of different exercises for this. You can either just work on individual digit strengthening, you can work on gross grasping, you can work on pulling, or even twisting as well. One of the things that I like to do is to put different objects in here, different beads or different buttons, and then work with your child or your adult to try to have them take the beads out of the putty itself. What I will say about all of the putties that are out there, you want to be mindful to not let this sit on a surface for too long, because over time this will become part of that surface that it is laid onto, and it's very difficult to get it out. But my trick is just to warm it up with some warm water and soap, and then just do the best that you can. But with this here, once again, it comes in a bunch of different varieties. This one is the lightest, and the heaviest here, I'll show you the blue. Blue is the most resistant, and it's going to really work those fingers and the digits and the hand. So as you can see, it's a lot more challenging even for me to pull apart. So you can really work on hand strengthening or individual digit strengthening, or even between the fingers. You can work on all the muscles in the hand, not just the hands, but even the forearms too, just by doing a bunch of different exercises with this. Once again, it is hard to get out of clothing, but you can do the best that you can. I would highly recommend this. I've been using this brand for years, and I just so happen to get this one to review. So check this out.